Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are having a blessed day today. Today I thought that we would do a different kind of nail tutorial. This is more of the creation process, doing my regular nails, and I just thought that I would record it. So I thought we'd play with some foils, and then at the end I just jumped in and started using some foil. Beautiful green nail polish is what we started out on our nails, 2 coats of that, and we're going to be using those beautiful foils from dollarnailart.com is where you can find those. The green nail polish is from e.l.f. and it's in teal blue. I'm not sure if you can buy this anymore, but 2 coats and it's very beautiful. Now a similar shade to this is LA Colors Palm Tree. So I take the foil out of the container, I get my glue ready, a Q-tip ready. I have an in-depth on how to apply foil, so that will be linked in the description box. And you want to cut that foil down to the size of your nails basically, and not to waste any, I end up using the other side of the foil for a different manicure on the other hand. And you want to also just quickly apply a very thin layer of the glue all over the nail, and always cap the free edge with any kind of products that you're using on your nails. And you're going to allow this a few minutes to dry. You want it to dry down clear, as you can tell. If you have any more any milky spots in your nails, typically the glue's not tacky enough to grab onto the foil, and it will just be patchy. You'll see some patchy spots in this, but I just wanted to play around with foils today. And you just place that foil down, rub it down with the Q-tip. dollarnailart.com is such a great place to find nail art items for a very cheap, affordable price. Literally everything on the website is $1 unless you buy bundles, which are still really great deals. And I purchased these years and years ago. Even the glue still works. So I'm going to link that below, dollarnailart.com. And we're just continuing on to do the nails. And see, there's like a patchy spot there, so the foil isn't going to pick up. A couple of these were kind of patchy spots, but that's also why I decided to stamp over top of it. Just apply your foil, press all that down, work it into the nail. And then next we're going to be cleaning up the edges of our nails the best we can anyways. I mean, this green shade is really staining. My cuticles look awful. Not here, but later on when I do the stamping and stuff and have to clean up, and I actually had to remove this for a new manicure. That nail polish was very staining. It was all over my skin. But that's what the foil looks like. And I want to say a little tip: if you want to take pictures of your foil on your nails, definitely take your pictures before you top coat it, because you can see like it distorts it a little bit. And once the top coat dries, it will relax a little bit, but it still kind of crinkles the foil, as you can tell there. But it will relax. You'll be able to see the effect of the foil still, but it is a little distorted. So keep that in mind. Now, if you don't top coat this, it won't last very long on your nails. As you can tell, that was actually supposed to be the end of the video, and then I went and I sat back down at the table. I wanted to put some stamping on top of it, so I put these really pretty flowers that reminded me of the 70s on top of the foil. Now the downside to stamping foil is the foil kind of causes the stamp to, well, sometimes the foil kind of like eats the nail polish. It just kind of does a disappearing act, and it's very light. But in the pictures you can see the flowers, and it's very pretty manicure, very groovy in my opinion. That's why I named the video that. And just regular stamping, you know, put the polish, scrape it into the image, pick it up with your stamper. See how it's like really, that foam, man. See how it's really like muted on there, but it really shows up in the photos in the sun. So that is my kind of like a get ready with me doing my nails. And I hope you enjoyed it, and thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more nail tutorials like this, and don't forget to like the video, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell if you haven't already.